I cannot wait!
Hope you're hungry.
Oh, I'm starving. God. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh,
You ready to dig
hold
in?
on. Hold on. Gotta get my mix.
Oh,
I gotta get my drink.
we gotta get our drink on.
Sorry. Rough week.
Oh, let's get some
Give me a
slurp
second.
happening in here. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to resist. Oh, it smells so good.
Alright.
Oh, I really think we did it this time,
You
Sam.
ready?
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be delicious. Look at that. I can't wait. I really cannot.
Give me a little shot of that. Oh. Sam, thank you.
You're so welcome. Throw it all at once, baby boy. Look at that. Hey, I made that for you. I don't mean to brag, but I make the best drinks in town. I honestly do. Oh, I can't even keep it down.
Okay, so I guess we'll just throw it in the hatch now.
You got it.
Oh.
So good. So good.
It's wonderful. Have a bite, Sam. Oh.
Oh, that's so good. Oh man, I'm just eating away.
How good is it, Sam?
I love it. Oh yeah. Come on.
So good.
Oh, I am full. Oh my god. Oh, Josh. Look at this guy. He can never handle his drinks. Oh my. Alright. Well, this has been another episode of Cooking with Shock Value. Come to us next week, alright? We're making macaroni and diarrhea.